Hello Prathom 6 students! In this video, our topic is all about rocks. Let's read this one. Granite. Granite. These are granite. Granite are igneous rock. Does it contain fossils? No, it does not have fossils. How does it form? They are formed when magma cools and solidifies. Another examples of granite are obsidian and pumice. These are marbles. Marbles are metamorphic rocks. Does it contain fossils? No, it does not have fossils. How does it form? They are formed when an igneous rock or sedimentary rock are subjected to very high pressure and heat without melting. Another example of marble are slate and gneiss. This one, limestone. These are limestones. Limestones are sedimentary rocks. Does it contain fossils? Yes, it contains fossil. How does it form? Rocks are constantly being broken down into tiny bits and pieces through weathering and erosion. So number 1, it is through weathering and erosion. Number 2, the tiny bits of rocks are washed into rivers, seas, and oceans and settled at the bottom of the water as sediments. And this is called sedimentation. Number 3, over millions of years, layers of sediments are formed. We are still in sedimentation. Number 4, the layers of sediments are compressed and cemented. And this is called compression and cementation. So, how does it form? Number 1, through weathering and erosion. Number 2, through sedimentation. And number 3, through compression and cementation. Another examples of limestones are sandstone and gypsum. This one here is copper. Copper is used for electromagnets. This one are surgical instruments, and these are made of titanium. Titanium is used for surgical instruments. This one is a fluorite. Fluorite is used for toothpaste. Mercury. These are called mercury. Mercury is used for thermometer. Mica. Mica is used for cosmetics. Crystal. Crystal are solid substances that have their particles arranged in regular order. This one here is a lava. When magma flows on the ground, it is called lava. Gypsum is made up of sulfate minerals and is formed as a result of precipitation of its minerals from evaporating seawater. Coal. Coal is made up of decaying dead animals and plants. Sandstone. Sandstone is made up of mainly sand. This one here is a slate. Slate is formed when shale is exposed to relatively low heat and low pressure. Alloy is a combination of a metal with other types of metals or elements. Cementation. Cementation is a process by which dissolved minerals among sediments crystallize and stick the sediments together. Mercury is extracted from an ore called cinnabar. This one here is a cinnabar. This one here is an ore. Ore is a rock that contains a useful metal or valuable mineral. This one here is a fossil. Fossils are the preserved remains, impressions, or traces of animals or plants that were trapped as the rocks formed. Paleontology. Paleontology is the study of fossils. Erosion is the wearing down and removal of rocks and soil by natural processes. Weathering. Weathering is a natural process whereby rocks are broken into smaller pieces. It's time to answer your worksheets. Answer your worksheet test 1, multiple choice, items 1 to 30. This is from your monthly worksheet. And also, answer your daily worksheet. Teacher D will guide you on how to answer your worksheets. So stay tuned. Hello Prathom 6, it's time to answer your worksheet. The first one we're dealing with is the daily worksheet. Make sure it is written above Prathom 6 Science Week 3 for the month of January. And the topic is rocks. You write your name in here and the date the moment you answered this worksheet. Okay, let's read the instruction. Matching type. Match the object to its correct answer. This is worth 10 points. For example, number 1, copper. Copper. Copper is used for wires and electromagnets. Okay, so you just draw a line here to the answer. You can now answer number 2 up until number 10. I'm sure you can answer this worksheet if you watch the video. Now, for your monthly worksheet, is like this. Here. Directions, multiple choice. What type of rocks that are formed when a magma cools and solidifies? Okay, you answer by drawing a circle to the correct answer. You circle the letter only. So what is the answer? Number 1, it's the igneous rocks. You circle this one, letter B. Okay, and you answer number 2 up to number 20. There are 20 items. So you can answer this after you watch the video. Make sure you watch first the video before answering this worksheet. Okay? And that's it. That is the end of our video. And I hope you learned something new. Hope to see you in our next video. Bye-bye!